Okay, this song starts right on middle C. Middle C is also known as C4 because it's the fourth C up from the bottom of the piano keyboard. So to find the C, you're going to look for two black notes in a row, and the C is the white note directly to the left of those two black notes. And as I said, we want middle C or C4, so we want the C that's the fourth one up from the bottom of the keyboard. Okay? So once you find that, you're going to use finger 3, your middle finger, on your left hand to play that C. And we're going to follow that with finger 1 on the E, also with the left hand. Okay, so C, E. And we're going to hold the C down while we play the E, and then we're also going to hold the E down. So we have C with finger 3, E with finger 1, and then we're going to take our right hand and play a G with finger 1, or our thumb on the right hand. Now let's just go over what's going to happen in the right hand here. We're going to be playing G with our thumb, then a higher C with finger number 2, followed by an E with finger number 4. So again, G, C, E, finger 1, 2, 4. And we're going to do that twice. G, C, E, G, C, E. Finger 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Now let's put that together with the left hand. So remember, it's going to be finger 3 on the C here, followed by finger 1 on the E, and then we're going to bring in our right hand, G, C, E, G, C, E. Okay, so C, E, hold, G, C, E, G, C, E. Fingers 3, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And we're going to do that whole part twice. So we have C, E, G, C, E, G, C, E, C, E, G, C, E, G, C, E. With the finger numbers, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Now after doing the C, E with the left hand, the next left hand notes are going to be C with finger 3 again, but this time followed by a D with finger 2. So we have C, D. Now in the right hand, we're going to move from this position, 1, 2, 4, up to this position, 1, 3, 5. So we're going to have A, D, F, A, D, F. Now with the left hand, C, D, A, D, F, A, D, F. Again, C, D, A, D, F, A, D, F. Okay, so from the beginning. And again. Okay, so the left hand is going to do C, E twice, and then C, D twice, and then the next time it's going to go B with finger 4, followed by a D with finger 2. And the right hand's going to be almost the same. Instead of A, D, F, the right hand is going to play G, D, F. So we have B, D, G, D, F, G, D, F. And again, B, D, G, D, F, G, D, F. Fingers 4, 2, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. And now we're going to go back to exactly what we did in the beginning. Again, C, E, G, C, E, G, C, E. And again. Okay, so let's do the whole thing. Okay, now I just want to mention that each part starts with a rest in the right hand. So, in other words, the right hand is resting, and then it comes in. And now it rests again while we play that C again. Rests. 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 And finally, we're going to add just a little bit of pedal to give it a nice sustained sound. So basically, I'm going to play the pedal every time I start the left hand again. So we'll have pedal, 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 pedal. And finally, I just want to mention that I'm only pressing the pedal about halfway down. I don't want to use too much pedal because then it'll just start sounding a little foggy. So just a little bit of pedal. All right, let's do the whole thing one more time.